Vasudeva Kutumbakam, greetings to all. I am Mrudani and Kulkarni of 10 Godavari, here to present a seminar on topic plastic-free BIdar. Plastic is the most conveniently, widely and importantly used material not just in India but all over the world. Plastic is made up of fossil fuels, natural gases and many other chemicals. Plastic is preferred because of its versatility, lightweight, convenience it has given us for shipping, ease of packaging of electronic and medical devices, etc. Most importantly, it is the cheapest material poor can afford all over the world. But even after all these advantages, plastic has many disadvantages as well. The single-use plastic with 75 the less micron is dangerous for our environment. Plastic is also dangerous because it degrades the environment. It causes soil pollution, water pollution, air pollution and many other pollutions as well. It is causing greenhouse effect which is resulting in climate change. It is distracting the food chain and also inhabitants of animals. When a large amount of plastic is dumped on a land without proper treatment, the lands get degraded because of the chemicals. This causes land degradation. Also, because plastic is made up of fossil fuels, it had to be extracted from the earth's crust, which results in excessive mining activities. Secondly, when plastic is dumped into the water without proper treatment, it reduces the self-cleansing property of the water, hence causing water pollution and disturbs the aquatic inhabitants. And we know that plastic is non-biodegradable substance. So, whenever it is left into the soil, it emits into the soil for very long period of time. As a result, it causes soil pollution as it absorbs the heat of the sun and increases the temperature of the soil, causing distraction for the plant's growth. On top of this, whenever plastic is burnt, it releases toxic substances which go into the air, mix with the rainwater and come down as acid rain and cause air pollution. Even after all these things, people prefer using plastic. We can stop using plastic we can identify the industries which are manufacturing and disposing the plastic without proper treatment. We can give them better alternative instead of plastic. It's not just the responsibility of seller but also buyer to avoid plastic. People can carry plastic bag, people can carry cotton or jute bag with them. Oftenly, people argue that jute and cotton bags are very expensive. But they are expensive at what cost? Sustainable development is very, very important for our environment. Plastic causes a lot of issues. Also, we can use the cotton and jute bags for many times. But single-use plastic cannot be used for many times. Recycling, reusing and reducing can eventually lead to refusing of plastic. Plastic-free BIdar is a program initiated by Shri Ishwar Khandre, the Minister of Agriculture and Environment. He decided to make 5 districts of Karnataka plastic-free. BIdar is one among them. This is with an aim to change the perception of the society about the plastic, to make them understand the hazards of plastic and provide them better alternative for plastic. We can learn from countries like Kenya and Rwanda which are already plastic-free. Plastic also affects Indian economy. For example, marine tourism, which is a part of Indian economy, is here there is an adverse effect because of marine pollution. People who are dependent upon the marine tourism are also affected. Moreover, the whole plastic that is collected throughout the year in whole country, to clean that plastic, it requires almost 9,000 crore rupees, which can be used somewhere else for other development works. Also, the pollution not just affects our country but our neighboring country as well. For example, air pollution in one country can result in acid rain in other. Land degradation in one country can result in landslide-like situation in other. So, for example, Bangladesh is a country which is completely plastic-free now. We can take inspiration from this country, and also the process has started with Sikkim as the first state of India to be completely plastic-free. Also, Mathiran, which is a hill station in Maharashtra, is plastic-free. Because of this quality of Mathiran, today the tourism has increased many times. We must stop using plastic. Governments and other organizations are also taking steps like Ganga Action Plan by our government, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and also Safe Soil by Isha Foundation. We must help them and cooperate with them to stop using plastic because plastic is hazardous for our environment. So today let's pledge not to throw all the covers outside because animals eat this cover or plastic. This chokes their respiratory system and causes a lot of problem for them. They cannot speak and tell their problem. This causes a lot of issues for them which cannot be treated. So today, with the hope that India is going to become plastic free one day, I would like to conclude my seminar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.